What's up, sneakerheads, nerds, and collectors alike? Tonight, my son and I have brought a new unboxing. Picked these up at Walmart a couple days ago. This is courtesy of my friends over at the Nerd Herd Facebook group. They showed me that these products were available, so of course had to go out and get them. And we're gonna get them unboxing. So sit tight while I get them real quick. Alright, so here's our first Forbidden Planet Robby the Robot.
Wait a second, isn't that a movie?
It is.
Yeah, yes it is.
From Forbidden Planet, as it shows. So here we got Robby the Robot. It talks, it walks, it makes sounds, it lights up. It's awesome. We got this one over at Walmart, the local Walmart. Figured this was pretty cool. We're gonna get to unboxing that, but first I've got another one sitting right here. And number two is, boom, the Iron Giant.
Wait,
what do you think about that?
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, yeah. We got the Iron Giant again. It talks, it walks, and it makes sounds. Pretty sweet. Press that button again.
There?
Press the button. You hear what he said? I'm Superman. Alright, so now we're going to unbox these things and see how they really walk and talk. Let's see, let's see. Does this thing actually walk? Does it actually talk?
I think so. I gotta press it. Oh! Whoa!
He does walk. That's pretty amazing. Alright, cool. So now we're gonna unbox Robby the Robot.
Where are we gonna put this?
We're gonna leave him right. Let's see what Robby the Robot does. It's heavy business. It's amazing.
That is... Is it a bad guy? Is that
That's
a bad
amazing.
guy?
No, he's Robby the Robot.
I am monitored to respond to the name Robby.
Alright.
That is amazing.
Alright, so we got Robby the Robot from Forbidden Planet and the Iron Giant from a movie in the same name, from Iron Giant. What's your first take on it, CJ?
I like the Iron Giant because it walks and it also becomes like this, and if you press the button, it's well, I'm
gonna show everybody.
So like,
No, you gotta keep it on.
Oh, yeah. Like that, and it just walks.
Yeah, he does walk like that, but also, if you press the silver button, or the green button right there, goes in, it's like his evil mode. That's pretty dope. I like it. This is definitely staying in the office collection, for sure. My favorite is right here, Robby the Robot. Obviously, in the box, his head didn't move, his arms didn't move, but after taking him out, you can see his hands are articulated, his arms are articulated. he walks, he talks, and of course, he's got his little head piece, antenna, if you will, that opens up, or not opens up, but goes on, and just like in the show that you would see. You like robots, right?
Yeah.
So he likes robots. I like robots. This is all sci-fi. If you guys have never seen, guys and girls, haven't seen The Iron Giant, this guy was actually voiced by Vin Diesel. Where's Vin Diesel from? He's from The Fast and the Furious. Vin Diesel from The Fast and the Furious. That's right. Dominic Toretto voiced this guy back in, I believe, 1999 when The Iron Giant came out. We got Robby the Robot from 1957. Movie was awesome. What? His sci-fi music, yeah, it's pretty amazing. So these are definitely staying in the collection. If anybody is curious where to get these, they're in your local Walmart toy aisle. I believe they, yeah, it was 1987. Oh, 1987. $19.87. It's the year I was born. Pretty awesome. So yeah, they're $19.87 each at your local Walmart. Check it out. I don't believe you can find them on the internet. I tried looking on the website, couldn't find them. Found them in person. Love these things. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go play with these things, see what happens. Maybe shoot some more YouTube videos. And yeah, we'll set up some pictures on the Instagram. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll come back next week for a new video.
Bye.
Later.